एवरीवन, सत श्री अकाल जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं मेरी फेवरेट एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कम्युनिटी बाय इमार, दुबई हिल्स एस्टेट। मेरे रियल एस्टेट करियर की पहली डील दुबई हिल्स एस्टेट में हुई थी एंड मेरे क्लाइंट ने कमाया 100% एप्रिसिएशन। मेरे लिए ये बहुत ही प्राउड की बात है कि मेरी करियर की पहली डील से मेरे इन्वेस्टर ने कमाया 100%। आई एम गोना टेल यू द होल स्टोरी। इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी, बट इस स्टोरी को मैं बताऊंगी वीडियो के एंड में। उससे पहले लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट विच इमार हैज लॉन्च्ड इन दिस कम्युनिटी, विच इज़ अ ब्रांड न्यू प्रोजेक्ट। बिल्डिंग का नाम है क्लब प्लेस। सो दुबई हिल्स एस्टेट दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है। ऑन दिस साइड वी हैव मोर इकोनॉमिकल सेक्शन जहाँ पे आपको अपार्टमेंट्स, टाउन हाउसेज एंड विलाज मिल जाएंगे। अपार्टमेंट्स के प्राइसेस स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं 1.6 मिलियन से, टाउन हाउस के प्राइस स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं 4.5 मिलियन दरम से, एंड विलास के प्राइस स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं अराउंड 7.5 मिलियन दरम से। एंड देन ऑन दिस साइड वी हैव अ लग्जरी सेगमेंट जहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ मेंशंस मिलेंगे। प्राइसेस फॉर 4 to 5 मिलियन विलास के स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं अराउंड 40 मिलियन से एंड गोज अप टू 200 मिलियन। एंड इट्स अ गोल्फ कोर्स साइड। यहाँ पे आपको गोल्फ कोर्स मिलेगा, 18 होल गोल्फ कोर्स। एंड दिस टाइम Emaar has come up with the building Club Place, which is on a luxury segment side. It's in the beginning right behind the GEMS International School. Prices for one bedroom starts from 1.6 million dirham. Before I give you the full tour and full information about the projects, let's talk about Dubai Hills Estate. दुबई हिल्स एस्टेट एक गेटेड मास्टर कम्युनिटी है जिसका साइज है 11 मिलियन स्क्वायर मीटर। ये कम्युनिटी अनाउंस हुई थी 2015 में और 90% ऑफ द कम्युनिटी इज ऑलरेडी रेडी। पीपल आर स्टेइंग हियर और यहाँ पे आपको मिक्स ऑफ अपार्टमेंट्स, टाउन हाउसेज, विलास एंड मेंशंस मिल जाएंगे। और यहाँ पे 18 होल गोल्फ कोर्स भी ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल्स है फ्रॉम लास्ट कपल ऑफ ईयर्स। व्हाट मेक्स दुबई हिल्स एस्टेट द बेस्ट कम्युनिटी इन दुबई? It's world-class amenities. We have Central Park, which is inspired by New York Central Park, and we also have King's College Hospital. Then we have second biggest mall of Dubai, where you have around 600 retail shops. As I mentioned earlier, this side of Dubai Hills Estate is ultra luxury, and this time Emaar is giving opportunity to investors to buy an apartment building on this side of Dubai Hills Estate. This is the building Club Place. It's overlooking 18 hole golf course, and we have options to choose from 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom apartment. 1 bedroom price starts from 1.6 million dirham and 2 bedroom price starts from 2.6 million dirham and 3 bedroom apartment price starts from 3.5 million dirham. Now let's talk about payment plan. Emaar is offering 80-20 payment plan, 80% during construction and 20% on handover. Basically you will be paying only 20% every year, and the handover of this project is in December 2028. Let me give you the tour of Dubai Hills Estate. ये Scheme Road है, which starts from Burj Al Arab and goes all the way till Arabia Ranches 1, Arabia Ranches 3. और ये 3 lane highway था, अब इसको expand करके 6 lane highway बनाया जा रहा है। And on right next to Scheme Road we have Dubai Hills Mall, जो कि दुबई का second biggest mall है, and it's my favorite mall since this is opened. I think 1.5 साल पहले open हुआ है, तब से मैंने किसी भी मॉल में जाना बंद कर दिया। टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई स्टॉप गोइंग टू एनी मॉल बिकॉज मॉल्स आर सो क्राउडेड इन दुबई एंड पार्किंग ढूंढना नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल होता है। बट इन दिस मॉल your parkings and mall is small, but I would say it's very convenient. Connectivity is amazing. आप अलखेल रोड से भी कनेक्ट हो सकते हो अंदर, देन स्कीम रोड से भी एंटर हो सकते हो, देन इंटरनली दुबई हिल्स एस्टेट से भी 2 एंट्रेंस है, एक वहाँ से है एक यहाँ से है। सो क्वाइट स्पेशियस मॉल, 600 के आसपास इसमें रिटेल शॉप्स है। यू हैव ऑल द nice restaurants, cafes, all the brands are here. And then we have all the residential buildings and commercial buildings. फ्रंट में आपकी सारी ये कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग्स हैं जहाँ पे आपको सारे ऑफिसेज मिल जाएंगे, उसके पीछे सारी रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग्स हैं, एंड दैट्स द सेंट्रल पार्क. दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट रेजिडेंशियल central park in Dubai. It's around 1.5 kilometer, and we have all the residential building on the park. And then behind the buildings we have Sidra and Maple. Maple में आपको सारे town houses मिलेंगे, 3 and 4 bedroom. Sidra में आपको 4 5 bedroom independent villas मिलेंगे, and then we also have address villas which is in the center, which are under construction at the moment. Then we have King's College Hospital right there, and then on the other segment which is the ultra luxury segment, इस side आपके यहाँ पे 4 school आ जाते हैं, and then we also have residential buildings on this side. Some of them are already launched and some of them are going to be launched in next 3 to 4 years. इसके पीछे आपका 18 hole golf course आ जाता है, where you have all the high end luxury villas and mansions. Price for cheapest villa starts from around 40 million dirham, goes up to 200 and 300 million dirham. I have seen insane houses in Dubai Hills Estates, to be honest. I have seen houses with 40 square feet plot area. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Dubai Hills Estate. Now let's talk about appreciation. I have seen people making 200% appreciation on their properties in Dubai Hills Estate. I am telling my own personal experience. As I mentioned earlier in the video कि मैंने अपने real estate career की पहली deal Dubai Hills Estate में close की थी. It was 5-bedroom independent villa in Sidra with maid's room. Plot size was 6,300 square feet and built up was 4,200 square feet. And I sold it for 5.3 million dirham. And imagine how much it's selling for today. It's 11 million dirham. And my client doesn't want to sell because that was their first property in Dubai and they bought it for themselves. So they don't want to sell. I've been forcing them to sell it because I wanted them to make that profit. It was a very, very proud feeling for me because it was my first deal and I made my client 100% appreciation on my first deal. That was a very, very proud feeling, and my client is so grateful and his whole family. They always say that this was our first investment in Dubai and they didn't know anything about Dubai because they moved from Pakistan to Dubai and they didn't know about Dubai Hills Estate. They wanted to buy a villa on Palm Jumeirah. I showed them 4-bedroom villa, Cove Villa on Palm Jumeirah for I think it was from 6 or 7 million dirham, and they were ready to go ahead with that. But then I met them and I understood their requirements because they wanted a very, very family oriented community and they wanted everything close by. So they only moved from Pakistan. They only heard about downtown, Palm Jumeirah and Marina. They didn't want to stay in apartment because, you know, in our countries, we are used to living in a big houses, so they didn't want to stay in apartments. So only option they had to explore was Palm Jumeirah. So then they directly came to me. I had a listing for 4-bedroom villa. So when I met them, I understood their requirements. Then I was like, no, this is not the right community for you. If you're looking for a very family oriented community, let me show you something new. Next day I fixed another viewing in Dubai Hills Estate, and when they saw the community, when I gave them a tour of the community, I showed them malls, schools, hospitals here, parks here, they fell in love. They were like, this is perfect, this is what we were looking for. They closed the deal right away within a day. So yeah, it was a great experience. I have seen my investors and other investors making 100 to 100% appreciation over the years. So now let's go and have a look at the location. ये है पूरे दुबई का मैप. दुबई हिल्स स्टेट की लोकेशन दिखाने से पहले आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू इमार की दूसरी कम्युनिटीज़ जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है एंड मास्टर कम्युनिटीज़ है. उनमें से वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट कम्युनिटी है डाउनटाउन, जहाँ पे आपको बुर्ज खलीफा एंड दुबई मॉल मिल जाएगा. फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन, दुबई मॉल एंड बुर्ज खलीफा इज ऑल्सो बिल्ट बाय इमार. इट्स लोकेटेड ऑन शेख ज़ायद रोड, विच इज़ द फर्स्ट एंड बिगेस्ट एंड बिजिएस्ट हाईवे. दिस इज शेख ज़ायद रोड. एंड इसी रोड के ऊपर अगर आप आगे जाओगे, राइट ऑपोजिट फार्म आपको मिल जाएगा एमरेट्स लिविंग. एमरेट्स लिविंग के अंदर है मेडोज, स्प्रिंग्स एंड एमरेट्स हिल्स. मेडोज एंड स्प्रिंग्स इज मोर ऑफ अफोर्डेबल सेगमेंट, एंड अगर आप एमरेट्स हिल्स की बात करें, वहाँ पे प्राइसेस शुरू हो जाते हैं मेंशंस के अराउंड 50 to 60 मिलियन दरम से गोज अप टू 200-300 मिलियन दरम्स. सो उसके बाद आपका आ जाता है Emaar South, which is next to world's biggest international airport, Al Maktoum Airport. Then we have the Oasis by Emaar. Then we also have Arabia Ranches 1, Arabia Ranches 2, Reem. Then we have Arabia Ranches 3, again a brand new community. Then we have the Valley here. And here we have Dubai Hills Estate. And right here we have Creek Harbor, which is going to be a new downtown, 2 times bigger than current downtown. It's under construction. I would say 20% of the construction is already completed. People are living there, but still it's going to take another 5 to 6 years to establish. And talking about Dubai Hills Estate, as you can see on a Google map, it's actually in the center of the city. If you want to go to Palm Jumeirah or Marina, it's not more than 20 minutes drive. If you want to go to Burj Al Arab right here and the beaches, It's not more than 15 minutes drive. If you want to go from Dubai Hills Estate to downtown Burj Khalifa, it's not more than 10 minutes drive. If you want to go from Dubai Hills Estate to International Airport, it's around 20-25 minutes drive, and Dubai Hills Estate to New Al Maktoum International Airport is again 25 minutes drive. And it's very central located, as you can see, and it's located on Al Khail Road. So Al Khail Road is the second busiest and biggest highway of Dubai. First is Sheikh Zayed Road, then second is Al Khail Road, then we have Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, which is right here. You have Arabia Ranches on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, and then we have Emirates Road, which is right here. So yeah, it's very central located, very well connected to the city. I would like to say, like, I lived in downtown for 7 years of my life when I moved to Dubai. And when I was living in downtown, I thought I would never move out from downtown because I love that charm, love that community. But since I moved to Dubai Hills Estate, I currently live in Dubai Hills Estate, I would say I can never live anywhere else because it's the best community. You have walking distance to park, walking distance to salon, grocery store, walking distance to mall, walking distance to King's College Hospital. What else do you need? And we have a very busy life, you know, and coming home from work takes not more than 15 minutes. कहीं से भी कहीं पे भी हूँ मैं, डाउनटाउन में हूँ, पाम जुमेरा में हूँ, कहीं पे भी हूँ, it takes me 10 minutes to 15 minutes to get home. So that's the beauty about this location. So yeah, now let's go and have a look at the show apartment. Let's go. जैसे आप इस 2 bedroom apartment में enter होते हो, right hand side पे हमारा fully fitted L shape ओपन स्टाइल किचन विद हाई एंड अप्लायंसेस. यहाँ पे आपका आ जाता है डाइनिंग एरिया. राइट ऑपोजिट डाइनिंग एरिया आपका आ जाता है लिविंग एरिया ओवरलुकिंग योर गार्डन एंड इट हैज इट्स ओन अटैच्ड बैल्कनी. और here we have laundry room. Right opposite laundry room हमारा है extra storage. Moving forward, guest bedroom right here. Right opposite guest bedroom हमारा है powder room जो कि guest bedroom के साथ भी use हो सकता है. And this is your master bedroom, walk-in closet. It has attached washroom and attached balcony, floor to ceiling glass doors. Now if you are interested to buy a property in Dubai Hills Estate, you need to get in touch with me today. You have my email mentioned below in description and on the screen as well. So see you around.